This is water treatment plant. Raw water. Raw water is taken from sources of water. We already discussed about sources of water. Sources of waters are two types: surface water and subsurface water. And these are the steps followed in water treatment plant. First one is screening chamber, coagulation, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and finally disinfection. After disinfection, the treated water is stored in storage tank. In screening chamber, there are two types of screens is available in screening chamber. First one is coarse screen and second one is fine screen. Particles like plants, stones, animals and trees and some other heavy particles are removed in screening chamber. Screening chamber. It contains two types of screens. First one is coarse screen and second one is fine screen. In screening chambers, particles like plants, stones, animals, trees and some other heavy particles are removed in screening chamber. Screening chamber is generally adopted for the treatment of surface water. Core screen in the form of bars of size 10 mm to 25 mm spacing. Fine screens in the form of wire cores of size 10 mm. Aeration. In this process, air and water bring contact to each other and remove dissolved gases and oxidize certain substance, and which helps to remove unwanted dissolved oxygen like carbon dioxide and also remove undesirable organic matter. Flocculation is a process used to clean dirty water. Tiny particles in water are too small to settle on their own, so we add chemicals like alum. After adding alum, we should gently mix the water. The bigger particles and smaller particles are come together and form a flocks. After that forming flocks, the flocks are removed in sedimentation and filtration. In sedimentation tank, large particles like plastic, paper, tree branches and some other large particles will be settled at the bottom of the tank due to gravity. These are the types of sedimentation tank based on methods of operation, based on location and based on shape. Here based on methods of operation is very important. Flow and draw type and continuous flow type. First one is fill and draw type. In fill and draw type, raw water is filled into the tank. Inlet is then closed after reaching the required level. Suspended particles are settled at the bottom of the tank due to gravity. The detention period is usually 4 to 6 hours depending upon the design. And next one is continuous flow type. Here raw water is continuously enter into the tank. But buffel valves are inserted in the tank which reduce the velocity of the tank. Without buffel valves, water may take shortest route from the inlet and outlet, which reduce the effective sedimentation time. Filtration is a physical process where water passes through a filter media of sand, gravel and other materials, which removes tiny particles like dust, dirt, bacteria, algae and other microorganisms. Also, it improves clarity, taste, safety of the water. And there are four types of filters: slow sand filter, rapid sand filter, pressure filter, membrane filter. Here, slow sand filter and rapid sand filter is very important. Slow sand filter. Water passes slowly through sand, effective and simple but time takes. but rapid sand filter water flow faster used in modern plants.